Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your old emails at once using Gmail. It's a very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. And now that I've said that, this is how you can do it. So in order to delete all your emails at once, you will have to make sure that you log in through your desktop, because in your mobile app that Gmail uses, you cannot select multiple emails at once. So deleting them at once will be a hassle, which is why I would recommend for you to come and log in into your desktop, which will be much easier as compared to a mobile phone. Now that I've come here into my Gmail, you can see there is a search mail option on the top. There's also filters, but these are some of the basic queries that you can use in order to delete all your old messages at once. So the first query that you want to search for is this: before year, month and date. This is the format that you want to put in. Just click on enter, and all the emails that were sent to you before this date will pop up on your main screen. All you have to do now is select this checkbox in the left side, select all, and make sure you tap on this option which says select all conversations that match the search. Once you do that, all the emails before this date will be selected, and all you have to do now is click on delete, click on OK. And once that's done, if you have a lot of bulk emails, it will take a few seconds to delete them. And as you can see now, the process has been done. All the emails that are currently being shown are not during or before this date that I've mentioned. The other query that you can use in order to delete a number of messages in bulk is the older underscore than query. Just make sure you put in this keywords into your search bar, and as you can see, I'm typing in 1 day. So any email older than 1 day will now be popped up into my main screen. You can see these are all the emails that I have which are older than a day. All you have to do now is again just select this option. It will select all the conversations in this page. I don't want to delete all of them, so I'm not going to select all the conversations. But yeah, you can do that. Check this option, and all the conversations, emails and data will be deleted which are older than 1 day. And yeah, this is basically how you can delete a number of old emails at once using Gmail. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.